Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to use App Privacy Report feature on your iPhone or iPad. This tool is perfect for tracking how apps use your data, giving more control over your privacy. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose Privacy and Security option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose App Privacy Report and then turn it on. The report starts logging app activity immediately, but it may take some time for detailed information to appear. And once it is populated, you will see insights into how apps access your data, including your location, camera, microphone, and contacts. You can also view network activity, which shows the domains apps communicate with. Then you can tap any app listed to get a detailed breakdown of its activity. For example, you'll see how many times it accessed specific permissions or connected to web domains. You can use this information to identify apps that might be overstepping their boundaries. And yes, if you spot anything concerning, you can always adjust an app's permission by going back to the Privacy and Security menu, selecting the appropriate setting and toggling access off. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can set up and use App Privacy Report on your iOS or iPadOS device. It's a pretty simple but powerful tool to help you stay in control of your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.